No. We shut down everything. I guess that's what they want. They want the government to cease working. So yung matuloy yung kanilang mga destabilization na ginagawa.
Muli na namang naging maugong ang pangalan ngayon ni CIDG Director Nicolas Torre III dahil sa pangunguna ng operasyon sa pag-aresto kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kumakalat ngayon sa social media ang mga video kung saan gustong arestuhin ni General Torre si Digong na walang warrant of arrest na ipinapakita. Ayon pa sa kampo ni Duterte, paglabag ito sa konstitusyon habang kinundina naman ni Davao City Mayor Sebastian Duterte ang hakbang ng autoridad at iginiit na ang lahat ng ito ay political maneuver ng kasalukuyang administrasyon ni President Bongbong Marcos at dapat daw paghandaan. Nasunod naman ito ay unti-unti nang nagtitipon-tipon ang Duterte supporter sa Davao City at gumagawa ng candle lighting at nagbahagi ng mga dasal para sa kapayapaan at kaligtasan ni former President Rodrigo Duterte.
You are placing under arrest as deputized to me by the PCTC by virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say will be used for and against you in the court. By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC.
Matatandaan na una nang umugong ang pangalan ni General Nicolas Torre III na siyang nanguna din sa Operasyon On sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ compound para hulihin si Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. By the way, as upload this video, ngayong araw nito March 11, ang pag-aresto kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay siya ring kaarawan ni Police Brigadier General Nicolas Torre III. Coincidence o nagpapakitang gilas? Mag-comment lang sa comment section kung gusto mong magpaabot ng iyong birthday greetings sa ating idolong pulis opisyal.